Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Rashid and from today we are going to start a brand new series on Microsoft Word 2013. We will start from the ABC of the Microsoft Word, and inshallah we will in the upcoming days we will working on the advanced tutorials, like you can say we will working on advanced title pages and the more editing tools regarding the Microsoft Word 2013. So this is the beginning lecture. This is the lecture number 1. So today I will tell you that how you can open Microsoft Word document. There are two different ways by which you can open, and now I will tell you one by one. The first method is just go to start, all program. From here you just need to search Microsoft Office 2013 and here Word 2013 and blank document, close it, blank document, and blank document is here in front of you. This is the first method. There is another method by which you can open the Word document, like you just need to press window and R. Window and R, these two buttons you have to press at the same time. When you press at the same time, then that window will be pop up here, and you just need to write Win Word and click it, and you need to just close it. Click here, black document, and the black document is in front of you. So these are the different two ways by which you can open the workbook, the Word document. These are the two different ways, right? So this is all from this lecture. Inshallah, see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.